famous cyber gamers, all things tech.
Alright guys, so here's how to change your X11 to Wayland in elementary OS. So first click on the settings and you'll see secure session or classic session. Secure session is Wayland, classic session is X11. So as you can see, when you log into classic session, there is no warning on Wayland. So some of the apps will show you a warning if you're using Wayland. Now if you want to try Wayland, you can log out. And now we'll need to change it to secure session and sign in, and you'll see in your app some of them will show you a warning on Wayland, which in my case is a remote app. Please like, subscribe and comment. Feel free to donate by pressing the thanks button. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamers signing out.